I'm Maya and I love a challenge. I'm living in Portugal on an abandoned land and I'm learning to transform it into an off-grid sustainable homestead. Join me as I tackle the wilderness and experience life in a simple and natural way.
So actually there was still one part not cleaned up of my land. So now we are going to take out all the trees. Actually not we, but the land cleaners. And I can't do much, just help a little bit to take out the trees. So this is another exciting week. It's raining! So now there's a lot of things to do to protect from the rain. I need to bring in some wood and then cover another pile of wood. Quickly! It's raining, man! Hallelujah! For a few months. I know that this plastic is not going to last very long with the sun. I hope that it will be good for this winter and that the eucalyptus will stay dry. Today after lunch the forest machine is supposed to come. So I'm super excited if it will actually take all of the branches, all of the trees. Yay! This is the first rain after 4 months. It just feels so good. god, they are coming! The first machine is coming! Wow! Wow.
Tudo foi. Ele amanhã vem para aí. Ele trabalha até às 6h30. Estás a ver? Ele. É, olha. Mas amanhã ele vem para aí.
There are two forest machines coming. One is just cutting the trees and putting them on piles so that the truck can pick them up later with another big grabbing machine. So today just the harvester is coming. And the big truck is now somewhere else, so it won't make it before I go. So unfortunately we won't see the piles go and the land clean, but we will see the land clean with some piles, so I'm happy the harvester is here. You know, things in Portugal take a long time.
This machine is so cool! But it's also very big, very heavy. Wow. I'm so thankful about this deck here. It's raining so hard. I need to get the hammock inside. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Yay! The first fire this fall.
So we are trying, or he is trying, to remove the oak tree root that is inside the ruin, because by hand it's very, very difficult or almost impossible to get out an oak tree root. Let's see how it goes. did an amazing job because it was difficult not to knock down any walls.
This was very fast. It only took him like yesterday 2 hours and today 3 hours to cut all of these trees and arrange them onto piles. The rain is so strong, it's crazy.
It's just 11 a.m. and the rain is so strong, it's super loud. So I'm just going to have some breakfast now.
The river has risen so much. Wow. Must have risen about a meter. Well, this is super exciting. I just wish the water would stay on the land and not only fly by, rush to the sea, and then it will be dry again. So let's hope that the rain can sink in well and all the trees and plants and the deep reservoirs of water can fill up slowly again. Well, I must say it kind of feels like a flood, so it's not very cozy here.
need to chop some brambles out because they are growing like crazy.
How pretty is that? That's a big bramble. Oh, it's a pipe. I found a pipe. Oh. Wow, it's becoming fall. The days are getting shorter. It smells so good. The air is full of rain. It's so wonderful.
The mimosas on this hill are the last ones that are left to be taken down, and now the land is cleaned.
Ciao, obrigada.
I'm happy everything has settled in a bit now, but it's so nice to have the spring back and that the river has risen and that nature has come back to life. The dust is gone and the air is clean.